Regulators! Mount up!
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today we're out here doing another cook. What we're doing my version of a Philly cheesesteak sandwich out here in the Pacific Northwest. So I got this recipe off a video I saw online. I'm not sure who started it, but it really looked good. There's a special sauce that he puts on his buns, and we're gonna give that a try too. And we're gonna do it all up on the Blackstone griddle. So come on, let's check this out. Get the gas turned on. Gotta have gas. We got the gas on. Let's go ahead and light these burners. I'm gonna turn it down to medium. Let this thing come up to 10. Get a little bit of oil on here first. So what we want to do is put our veggies on here. So I've got mushrooms, I've got onions, and I've got bell peppers. These all on here like so. Like some salt and pepper. Just give it a quick little seasoning. can we get? So I've got this turned down even more now. So we're going to get these sauteed up. Close the lid for a little bit. See how our veggies are doing. Oh man. It smells so good in there. Okay, these should be done. Let's see what we can do here. I was spilling them too bad. Get these off and let them sit so we're ready for them. Alright, let's get a little more oil down on here. Now we want to put our beef on here. So this is a New York strip steak that I cut up into thin slices. Let it get on here and kind of brown up. Yeah, our meat's done. Oh, we got it almost done here. Browning up nicely. That's going to be so good. At this point, I'm going to turn the right one off. Right side burner is off. And what I'm going to do, take our meat, kind of push it over here to the left. Finish sizzling up here. I have this one on low. We're going to just toast up our buns real quick. So these are just French rolls, or French baguettes, whichever you want to call them. So we got those kind of toasting up. Got our meat here. A nice little pile. And putting our veggies back on. So, put some veggies here. Pile it right on top of that meat. And get it all mixed in together here. Sauce. It's on these buns. Coat of it. You saw how I made that with Duke's mayonnaise, sriracha, Worcestershire sauce, and garlic, minced garlic. And I just eyeballed what I put in there, then I sampled it, and it was really, really good. We wanted something like that. Oh yeah, this is going to be so good. There you go, folks. I like provolone. Let's just add a little more on each one. All right, let's have a look at this. Oh my. Look at that. Would you look at that? Your mouth watering? Mine is. Get these on a sandwich. Oh yeah, baby. Philly cheesesteak. Coming at you. That's ugly right there, guys. That is ugly. Ugly. Ugly good. Seriously. That is gonna be delicious. Let's get into one of these and eat it. Yeah, I can't wait to try one of these Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Let me cut one in half and give it a try. And for the viewer out there that complained about my knife skills, because I'm a backyard barbecuer guy, never professionally trained or anything like that, I'll change it up for you. Look at that. Let's try this. Now that is how a Philly cheesesteak sandwich should taste. Oh my. That sauce, just a little bit of heat from that sriracha, but the garlic, the Duke's mayonnaise, seasoning, the mushrooms, the green bell peppers, the onions. Now I use sweet onion because I like it sweet. You need to do this. Game over. That is so good. I just want to eat the whole thing. All right, so you saw how I did that. I went in there and I cut up the sweet onion and 2 bell peppers, and then I added already pre-sliced mushrooms, and then I took a New York strip steak. Actually cut the bone out of it because it was a bone in. If you can, I would say try to find one without bone, but hey, it was what was on sale. So that's what I picked up, and then I took it and I sliced it, and then I sliced all those thin slices in half. I probably, one steak that size with the bell peppers and the beef, probably enough for 3 sandwiches. 2 for me, 1 for the wife. Anyhow, then I brought them out here to the Blackstone, put it on medium-low, and kind of stirred up and cooked those veggies till they were nice and whatever you want to call it, cooked. And they came out perfect with the mushrooms, the onions, a little bit of salt and pepper seasoning on it. After they got done, I took that beef, seasoned it, salt, pepper, threw it on the old Blackstone, and just kind of kept stirring it up to keep it from burning. Once that was done, then I toasted the buns very quickly and easily, just bam, get it done. Then I brought that sauce out that I made. It had probably 3/4 cup Duke's mayonnaise and maybe, I would say less than 1/4 cup sriracha, probably a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Mixed all that up, put it on those buns. Oh man, I'm telling you, this is delicious. Delicious. Oh yeah. Then I put it all back on the Blackstone, mixed the vegetables with the meat. Then I layered that provolone cheese on it, let it melt. Put the sauce on the buns. Once the cheese was melted, I put all that mixed goodness on these buns. And oh yeah. delicious. Well, like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching. Until next time, grill on, my friends.